Very shortly, I'm going to be teaching a whole series on word problems. And the videos that you'll see, I'm pulling in some of the ideas that we've been discussing. Fact families, operations, commutative property, what a child needs to look for as far as like the words that mean the different operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, in order to try to help your child understand just what they're supposed to be thinking about when they read a long involved story problem. Usually there are two numbers in a story problem that have to be combined either through the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. In addition, we are basically looking for two smaller numbers. When added together, gives a large answer, a large number answer. Subtraction is the reverse. You start out with the largest number and subtract one of the smaller numbers from it and get a small answer compared to the one that you started with. Multiplication takes two smaller numbers and produces a large answer. Division, just the opposite. It starts with the largest number, divides by one of the smaller numbers, and you get a small answer compared to the number that you started with. Showing you a typical equation in terms of large and small numbers should make this obvious to you that addition and subtraction are truly opposites. The largest number in an addition problem is the answer. The largest one in a subtraction problem is your starting point. Similarly, the largest number in a multiplication problem is the answer, but you start with the largest number for division. So we have addition and subtraction being opposites, multiplication and division being opposites. So these are opposite functions, and these are opposite functions. However, if you look at this one more time, the addition and multiplication setup of the equation is very similar. We start with the two smallest numbers, and they both produce large answers. The addition and multiplication are similar operations. I tried to really reinforce the idea that multiplication was a quick way to add when all the numbers were the same. So it's logical that the setup of an addition and a multiplication problem would be similar. With that in mind, the operations of subtraction and division both start out with the largest number and then produce a smaller number compared to where you started. So in both cases here, subtraction and division would be similar functions. In fact, division is a quicker way to subtract when all the numbers are the same. So understanding this explanation is critical for the logic that your child may have to extract from his mind when considering just what to do in the story problem, because that's the critical part of most word problems. Most children can read them all right, but they don't understand what to do with the numbers after they've found them. Hopefully, this helps to explain that.